Welcome, my beautiful people, to D Don Kitchen. Guess what, guys? D Don is at it again. So, guys, guess what? I am doing liver today. Liver. So, this is the liver that I brought at the store. They cut them very thin. So, these are liver. And the liver, basically, it's from the cow liver. Bell pepper, a piece of bell pepper, aka sweet pepper. Guys, when you're cooking liver, you need some Scotch bonnet pepper, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 tomato, 1 onion, some thyme, 3 stalks of scallion. They call it green onion. Over here, half a teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and I'm using the fine pink salt. You can use whatever salt you want to use. And this is some tomato ketchup. Also, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Because I don't have enough pepper, I just got to use some cayenne pepper. This cayenne pepper I have, I will be using it. And I'm using some olive oil on the liver. So guys, before I begin, you just want to make sure you got to strip the liver. There's the outer portion of it. This thing right here, you got to strip it off. You see, you got to strip it all off. Wherever you see that kind of plastic looking thing, you got to take it off before you even do anything. So now we finish strip the liver. We just gonna rinse it with some vinegar. Just a little vinegar. And you're gonna rinse it under some cold water. Just 1 rinse. And you're gonna pour your all-purpose on the liver and the salt. You wanna cut the liver. If you want, you can even cook the liver as it is, because this is cut very fine. So you can just cook it same way if you don't want to cut it in bite sizes. So guys, it is good for us to learn to cook. I'm telling you, man, I went to a restaurant today to buy 2 food, and the 2 food was gonna cost $30. And I was waiting in that line like I'm waiting forever, and I said I can't wait anymore. Even someone else, they went away to. And I said, you know, I have the liver at home, so I'm just gonna come home and I'm gonna cook this liver. And I brought a piece of yam for $5. Right there, I saved back $25 in my pocket. Our food is very expensive now. For you to buy out there, it's easier. You buy the food and go and cook. And then you cook, you have all 2 days from that. About all 2 day food from that can eat. So with our all-purpose and the salt on the liver, I'm just gonna let it sit there for like 20 minutes or half an hour. So beautiful people, I'm just gonna go in with some oil, some olive oil. I'm using like measurement, it's like water cup of the olive oil. And I want to put the liver in now. I'm gonna put the liver in. And I just want to cover. Let me give it a quick stir. And we're gonna cover. Turn the fire low, very, very low. And let it simmer like for 15 minutes. In the meantime, we're gonna work on our seasoning. So now guys, this is our garlic. If you don't have a compressor, don't worry about that. You can always chop your garlic on the board, on the chopping board. I'm compressing the garlic. It's a thyme. Just cut in two. This is my little piece of pepper. Sweet pepper. Or bell pepper, aka sweet pepper. So beautiful people, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell. So when D-Dan is doing a video, you will be the first one to be notified. Putting on the onion now. Now cut on the scallion. When you're cutting, just be careful of the knife and your finger. I don't want you to get caught. And we're gonna cut on our tomato. I just feel like I'd eat a piece of this tomato right now. So now, beautiful people, I'm gonna put the soy sauce on. I just wanna stir a little. One thing when you're cooking liver, you don't want it to cook too long, because the longer you cook it, it's become very tough. So basically, within 25 minutes, our liver should be ready. Liver. I'm going to put a little of the cayenne pepper, just like quarter teaspoon, not too much. And I told you I'm going to give it 15 minutes, so just 10 minutes. Then I'm going to put the seasoning in. Let me cover back and do the next 5 more minutes. And then we move to the next step. So 10 minutes, 15 minutes in our cooking of the liver. So now you just want to put in all your seasoning and the tomato paste or the tomato ketchup. You don't want to add any water to the liver, but if you add the water, it can become tough to. The liver make its own juice and everything. If you're going to add water, use a little warm water. I'm going to use a little warm water in it, not too much. So guys, you see this is hot water I'm using, and it's 3/2 cup, not half cup, let me tell you. Yeah, 1/3 of a cup, 3 of it. And you're just gonna cover and give it 10 more minutes. So roughly it's 25 minutes. As I told you before, you don't want this liver to cook too long. The longer it's on the fire, it becomes hard. And you don't want that to happen. So beautiful people, aroma is in the here. Time to check on our liver. Wow, look at this, guys. Wow, I saved back $25 in my pocket today when I decide to come home and just cook this liver. So my beautiful people, our liver is now ready, soft and tender. And let us see. You see, the fork is right there. You see the fork right here? See the teeth? Right, so you know your liver is ready. Let me turn this fire off. It's 25 minutes. Hey, my beautiful people. The liver is ready. Stew liver is ready. Ain't it looking tasty? Guys, I think you should give it a try. And when you do, leave a comment and let me know how was the result. So here on the side is some nice white soft yam and lettuce and salad. Oh guys, I'm hungry now. I'm so hungry. So please remember to subscribe, like, share. Thank you all for watching. I love you. Peace.